You make money, but you are still broke because you buy things to look rich to strangers. Stop impressing people and start keeping your cash. Saving your money will keep you poor. Your bank pays you nothing while prices go up every day. Put your money in assets that grow while you sleep.
This little piece of plastic is ruining your life. You buy it today, but you pay for it forever with interest. Cut the card and pay off what you owe immediately. Most people trap themselves in a fake rich life. A big house and a new car equals zero money left in the bank. Live below your means and buy your freedom instead. Your daily habits are secretly stealing your future. You spend 5 hours a day watching a screen. Rich people spend that time learning how to earn more. Getting a raise won't solve your money problems, because the second you earn more, you spend more. Act like you never got the raise and invest the extra cash. One bad day can destroy your entire bank account. Without a safety net, every surprise becomes a total disaster. Save 3 months of living costs before you do anything else. Making your first 100,000 is pure torture. It feels incredibly slow, painful, and impossible at first. But once you hit it, your money starts making its own money.
If you only get paid when you work, you will work forever. You only have 24 hours in a day to trade for cash. Build a system that pays you even when you take a nap. The biggest thing stopping you from getting rich is your brain. You let fear and greed control every single dollar you touch. Learn to master your emotions, and you will master your wealth.